Introducing the new line of Neato automatic vacuum cleaners. Smart, powerful, methodical. This revolutionary, intelligent Neato automatic vacuum is here to make your life easier. The Neato vacuum meticulously cleans all of your floors methodically, automatically. By using its laser to see, the Neato vacuum creates and continuously updates a map of everything in its surroundings and determines the most efficient straight line pattern to clean the room. The robot doesn't bump into obstacles or fall off of stairs. Rather, the Neato robot sees them and vacuums around them. The Neato vacuum is both agile and powerful, working on all floor types just like your upright vacuum. It is the most powerful robotic vacuum today. Simply press the Start button to begin cleaning. When your vacuum is done cleaning, it knows how to find its way home to the charging base. You can schedule Neato to automatically clean on a daily, weekly, or user-defined basis. Your home will be that much healthier and cleaner every day. Clean any type of floor, anytime with Neato. It's that simple.